Test for protein, biuret test. Now, a biuret test is done by adding a few drops of biuret solution into the food sample. Now, a positive test will show a color change from blue to violet. So, if it is a deep purple violet color, that means it has protein inside it. If it does not change and it is still blue, that means it does not have any protein inside it. So, tests for lipids. Now, food sample is mixed with 2 centimeter cube of ethanol and shaken. Now, the ethanol is added to an equal volume of cold water. Now, a positive test will show a cloudy emulsion forming. So, if there is a cloudy emulsion, that means it is a positive test. Now, test for vitamin C. We will add 1 centimeter cube of DCPIP solution to a test tube and then add a small amount of food sample. So a positive test will show blue color of the dye disappearing. So test for starch using iodine. So we can peel a potato and we will add iodine on top of it, a few drops of iodine. So if it changes color to blue black, that means the potato has starch inside it. So test for glucose reducing sugar. Now we will add Benedict solution into a sample solution in a test tube. Heat it at 60 to 70 Celsius in a water bath for 5 minutes. Now take the test tube out of the water bath and observe the color. A positive test will show a color change from blue to orange or brick red.